Back in 2010 or so, we got seed money from the Arizona Broadcasters Association to put on an Indigenous Youth Media Workshop.
Everything is hands-on. I've actually heard this called a boot camp before.
They learn all the tools of video storytelling, camera, lighting, editing.
You could zoom in a little bit like this.
I really want to go into that Native American studies and bring awareness to the issues that we're having, such as uranium mining and the effects that it has.
Technology's always been a sort of big thing for me, so if I could use that in a beneficial way.
I enjoyed shooting the B-roll and just kind of getting different shots of the library.
I think what makes us most different is that it's free.
They're creating relationships with other students who also have these big goals to be able to make their community and make the world a better place.
They can tell their own stories and use their own voices rather than relying on other people to tell their stories for them.